Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Chippenham today. Spotted this and I had to buy it. Whether it works or not, I really don't care. I want it to work, but I just wanted to have it. Air Hogs, flapping wings powered by air. It's got an air engine in it. So you pump it up and let it go. They got it priced at £15, but the guy actually, I didn't ask him, he just reduced it to £12. He said it had been in the shop for quite a while. He said he has no idea whether it works. I had a quick peek inside to make sure it had actually got the pump in there. Other than that, I couldn't get the box open. Because when they've put it in the box, somehow or other, they've sealed it. And the inner case won't come out. They've got tape around it somehow. I expect this tape they put around there is holding it shut. There we go. And I just have the original box, even though it's not in perfect condition. Right. We've got the instructions. I've no idea how much these were originally. I'll look at them in a minute. We've got the original plastic bags it came in. Got the main body. We've got the pump, which plugs into it there somehow. Yeah. We've got the wings. Do you know, this looks like it hasn't actually flown. Somebody's birthday. To Steph, happy birthday from Ed. Oh, how sweet. Two tails. Bit of tape. All right, I'm going to look at the instructions and see if we can actually put it together. So, fuselage. One set of wings. Which will go on there. A couple of little pegs to go in there. I'm not seeing any little pegs. Right, I think we got a problem. We've got no little plastic pegs to go in there for the... Yeah, those clearly slot in there. Oh no, wait a minute. That's got to come up. There we are. That comes up. They go in there. Okay. Okay, that goes on there. That goes on there. This bit lifts up. And somehow... those have got to come out of there. There we go. Right. Ah, one side in, other side out. Right, we're there. Okay. I see that sits there and then you flick it round for it to start moving. Okay. Alright, tail. Looks like that's been used. Oh, this has been used. Alright, tail in place. Yeah, clearly that's been bent to adjust the trim. Right, now we fit it to the pump. And this way up. So that goes on there and that turns around to hold it. Pressure gauge there. Right, put some in there, just enough to hopefully see if it'll flap a bit. Are we ready? Oh. Brilliant. Like I said, whether it flies or not, I really don't care. Obviously I want it to fly, but the fact that it just does that much. Right, okay, well we're there. We got it together. We have a spare tail, spare wings, spare clippy bit that goes on the bottom of the tail. I wonder if this person had two and broke it, or whether it actually came with two parts. Let's have a look if it says anything about. Oh yeah, it does come with two main wings and two tails. Wow. Amazing. Don't know when we'll get to try it, but amazing.
Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.